This is our unboxing video for our Ledger Nano X. You can get $25 worth of crypto and a ledger at coursenvy.com/ledger. The Ledger Nano X is a crypto hardware wallet for storing your coins offline. You never want to leave your coins and tokens and cryptocurrency on exchanges because there's always a good chance that they can be stolen. So when you purchase crypto, you'll want to transfer it to your Ledger Nano X. So I'll be going through that setup after this unboxing video. Setting up your Ledger Nano X. So to get started, go to ledger.com/start. Step 1, you'll need to install Ledger Live on your device. Step 2, you'll choose a PIN and write down your recovery phrase for this Nano device. Step 3, install the applications on your device, such as Bitcoin. And finally, you'll add an account to manage your crypto. So step 1, install Ledger Live. Ledger Live is the software used to set up your device and manage your crypto assets. Download Ledger Live by selecting your device type. For this tutorial, we'll be installing Ledger Live on our iPhone. As you can see, we've installed Ledger Live on our iPhone. Click the Get Started and accept the terms of use. Next, select the device you are setting up. We're setting up a Ledger Nano X. On the next screen, select Set up a new Nano. Swipe through these screens to learn the basics about your Ledger Nano X, including accessing crypto, your own private key, staying offline, and validating your transactions. Now it's time to set up your Nano X. Make sure to have 30 minutes of uninterrupted time scheduled, and make sure to have a pen and your recovery phrase cards ready. In case you lose or break your Ledger Nano, you can still retrieve your crypto via this recovery phrase. Your 24-word recovery phrase must be kept secure, such as writing it down on these cards and storing it in a safe. So follow the on-screen prompts in your Ledger Live app. The first one, turn on your Nano. Turn on your device by pressing the black button for 1 second. On a Nano X, you have the black button on the left and the silver button on the right. Learn how to interact with your device, play around with it, and follow the prompts on the screen. While pressing one button will toggle left or right, pressing both buttons will make a selection. So toggle to set up as a new device, and then press both buttons to select set up as a new device. Now you'll be prompted to choose a PIN code for your Nano device. Use the left and right buttons on the physical device to change the digits and confirm your PIN code. Next, you will be prompted to write down your recovery phrase. Have your PIN and recovery phrase cards ready. So write down your recovery phrase as you toggle through them. As you can see in this image, confirm word number 1 is code. That is our word I will write down for number 1 for the recovery phrase. So once you're done, scroll back through them and confirm you wrote down the correct word for the correct word number on your recovery phrase sheet. And make sure you spelled each word correctly. Now you can safely store this 24-word recovery phrase card in a secure offline location, such as a safe. Never enter it on a computer or take a photo of it with your smartphone. Never share it with anyone. This is your only backup to your crypto assets stored on this Ledger Nano wallet. Crypto quiz time. So the first one on the left, your crypto is always stored on the blockchain. Your hardware wallet only holds your private key, which gives you access to your crypto. The second one, anyone who knows your recovery phrase can steal your crypto assets. If you lose your recovery phrase, you must quickly transfer your crypto to a secure place. And finally, the third one, your private key always remains offline in your hardware wallet. Even when connected to your Nano, the Ledger app cannot access your private key. you must physically authorize every transaction on the Nano device. So now let's connect your Ledger Nano X to your iPhone. So make sure your Bluetooth is enabled on your iPhone, and then you'll pair your Nano with the Ledger Live app on your iPhone. So select the pair via Bluetooth, and then select the Nano device. Then validate the code displayed on your iPhone exactly matches the one displayed on your Ledger Nano X. Once paired successfully, click Continue. Now your Ledger Nano X is connected to your iPhone's Ledger Live app. First, you'll need to install the app on your Ledger Nano X for each cryptocurrency you want to store. On your Ledger Live app, on the Manager page, click the Install button next to your cryptocurrency of choice. For this tutorial, I'll select Bitcoin. As you can see, Bitcoin has installed, and then you'll be prompted to add an account for that Bitcoin. An account is a Bitcoin wallet, so you can send and receive this Bitcoin asset. Once you add an account on your Ledger Live, navigate to your Bitcoin account via the Accounts page. Click on that Bitcoin account, then click the Receive button and copy your wallet address. How to send Bitcoin to your Ledger Nano X from Coinbase. So Coinbase is one of the exchanges we use, so you'll want to select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer to this Ledger Nano X. We selected Bitcoin on Coinbase. We clicked Send. Type in the amount you want to send from Coinbase to this Ledger Nano X. Paste in your Ledger Nano Bitcoin wallet address in the To field. That is where we will be sending this Coinbase Bitcoin to for safe storage offline. Once you click Continue, confirm your address and the amount you're sending, and then click Send Now. Once done, you'll see a confirmation of the amount sent to that wallet address. As you can see, our Ledger Live app portfolio page confirms our Bitcoin transfer off of Coinbase and onto our Ledger Nano hardware wallet. Everyone should buy a Ledger hardware wallet to safely store your cryptocurrency offline and off of exchanges like Coinbase. Anytime your crypto is online, there is a chance it could be stolen. Just Google Mt. Gox disaster, 460 million Bitcoin gone. So if you want the best crypto wallet and a free $25 in crypto and the Crypto Beginner's Guide, go to Coursenvy.com/ledger.
Thanks for checking out Coursenvy. Please take 1 second to like, subscribe, and comment anything below. These 3 things are the key to getting your videos to rank higher in YouTube search results.